Dear students, today let's discuss comparing decimals. In the last class, we studied what is decimal. Today, let's discuss comparing decimals. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand about comparing decimals. Before that, we have to study the representation of decimals on the number line. We already studied representation of integers and fractions on the number line. Today, let's discuss representing decimals on the number line. Here you can see a number line starting from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, in between 0 and 1, there are 9 points. The 10th point is 1. Here also 9 points. 10th point is 2. Just like our representation of fractions. After 0, the first point is represented by 0.1. Then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Next one is 1. Okay. Then after 1, the first point is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. Here after 3, the third point is 3.3. After 3, the third point is after 3. If the eighth point, then we read it as 3.8, etc. Here you can see some points on the number line. Now the point, where is the pointer? It is on the 0.6th decimal number. That is after 0, the 6th point. That is 0.6. Next, where is the pointer? After 1, the third point. So it is known as 1.3. Next pointer after 2, fourth point. So 2.4 between 2 and 3. Next after 4, which is 8th point. So it is known as 4.8. This way we have to mark decimals on the given number line. Here you have one question. Show the following numbers on the number line. 6 numbers are here. 6 decimal numbers are here. Then first we draw a number line like this. Then first number is 0.3. So here we have to start. 0.3 means after 0, the third point. Very simple. So we can mark like this. After 0, the third point is 0.3. Next 1.8. Where will be 1.8? After 1, the 8th point. Here. Yes, 1.8. 1.2. 1.2, you can see 1.2, the place of 1.2 here. After 1, the second point. Then 2.5 is after 2, the fifth point. 2.5. 3.8, you can see 3.8, just like 4.9. 4.9 is after 4, the ninth point. This is the representation of decimals on the number line. Next, we have to study conversion to centimeter. Express the following as centimeter using decimal. Here you have given some numbers in millimeter. One example, a question 2 millimeter. We know 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So, for converting millimeter to centimeter, we divide the given number by 10 because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So, 2 millimeter equal to 2 by 10 centimeter. We know the denominator has 1 0. So, we mark the decimal point after one place from right side like this, 0.2 centimeter. The decimal form of 2 by 10 is 0.2. Here you can see after the point 1 digit because 1 0 in the denominator. Next 30 millimeter. Just like 30 by 10. 30 by 10 we have to cancel this 2 0. 0 0 get be cancelled. Then 3 centimeter. Next 116 millimeter. We divide this number by 10. 116 by 10. Here 1 0. So we mark the point after one digit from right side. So number becomes 11.6 centimeter. Next 4 centimeter, 2 millimeter. Combination of centimeter and millimeter. Very simple. We can write the answer as 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter means 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Question 162 millimeter. 162 by 10. So we mark the decimal point after one digit from right side. So it becomes 16.2 centimeter. Okay. Next we have to discuss our comparing decimal. Comparing decimal means which decimal number is greater and which is smaller. That is comparing. One question, which is greater? 5.64 or 5.603. Out of these two decimal numbers, which is greater? That is comparing decimal. For this, first we consider the whole part. We know in this decimal number, 5 is the whole part and 64 is decimal part. Here also 5 is the whole part, 603 is the decimal part. So first we consider the whole part of the given two decimal number. 5 and 5 both are same, so we cannot identify which is greater. Then after the point, first digit is 6, then here also 6, so both are same. In this case also we cannot identify which is greater. Then next we check the next number, second number. Here second number is 4, here second number is 0. Yes, we got the answer. That is, out of 4 and 0, 4 is greater. So, we have to write 5.64 is greater. Then no need of checking the third number. From the second number, we got the answer. So, no need of checking the third number. 5.64 is greater. Next 3.3 or 3.300. Here whole part is 3. Then after the point, first digit is 3, here also 3. Then we know in a decimal number, if the last digits are 0, it is not valid. It has no value for this 0. After the point, the last digits, if the last digits are 0, it has no value. So this also 3.3. This also 3.3. Okay. So out of this, which is greater? No greater value here. Both numbers are equal. So we can write like this. See question. 1.431 or 1.490. Whole part is 1. Here also 1. After the point, first number is 4. Here also 4. Then second number is 3. Here second number is 9. Yes, we got the answer. 9 is greater. Therefore, 1.490 is greater. D question. 1.5 or 1.50. First whole part 1, here also 1. No idea. Then second, after the point, first number is 5. Here also first number is 5. This also same. Then after the after the decimal point, last digit is 0. It has no value. So this number becomes 1.5, 1.5, which is equal. E question. 0.099 or 0.19. Here 0, 0. Whole part are same. Then after the point, first digit is 0. Second digit is 1. Yes, 1 is greater. Then no comparing of next numbers. 1 is greater. Therefore, 0.19 is greater. Then last question, 1.23 or 1.2. Here EF. Question you read it as F. 1.23 or 1.2. So first whole part is 1, 1. Same. Then after the point, first digit is 2. Here also 2. Then one more number is here. After the point, second digit is 3. In the second number, no digit. So 3 is greater. 3 is greater. Therefore, 1.23 is greater. Okay, this is comparing of decimals. Next, you have one follow-up activity. Find the next letter. Okay, children. Watch the video and write all the notes. Study well. Okay, thank you.